Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have something we literally just took on trade, and I'm going to take a look at it because you'll never find another one. This is the 2006 Mitsubishi Raider Duro Cross. This one has the 4.7 liter V8 and literally has not been detailed or anything like that. Again, this truck is not for sale. But I wanted to review it because when is the next time I'll ever review a Duro Cross Raider? When's the last time I've driven a Raider? I've never even seen one. Yeah, it's definitely got some rust. Needs a cat. It's a bit down on power. You can see some tape over the check engine light. That's whatever. Like I said, I know nothing about this truck. Well, I praise it. So it was a two-owner clean Carfax truck. Current owner that just traded in has owned it since 2011. So definitely she got her fair share of use at 132,000 miles. I guess it's gonna be down on power, but I think it's 260 horse, something right around that. 261 is ringing a bell. I doubt that's the case though, 'cause I look up horsepower on cars every day. I do love the green, turquoise, sea green glow that is, obviously this is based on the Dakota, so underneath it's going to be the exact same. It's got some pep. Keep in mind, these things are so rare you can't find them. The only place I've seen one is a junkyard. Finding one in running, driving condition like this one is, this is a running and driving example, is so hard to come by. Also, one gimmick the owner taught me, that's the key. So it's nice that you, let's say you want to lock it or whatever, you can just, take it right out. That's, good. I think that's a gimmick with all of these. I'm not sure. Doug Jamero, if you ever get the chance to review one, that's a quirk and feature for you. Where's the light? Oh, there we go. See? There's your key. It's the key that runs the truck, so that's nice to have. Just there we go. Oh, I turned on the wrong one. when I came to work this morning, I did not think I'd be reviewing a Mitsubishi Raider. And you know what? This video is probably going to be one of my most popular videos because you guys seem to love the oddball stuff. People seem to absolutely adore it. And you know what I say? Just absolutely. I'll keep filming the weird stuff as long as you guys watch it. And I will say, yeah, this thing's covered in rust and it's definitely seen better days. It's overall in decent shape. A little slippery. See, I doubt it does, but let's see. Get some airflow. AC work? No way. The AC works. That's awesome. Oh, that is great. That just made up for this. My precious Raider. Oh, you just never find stuff like this, ever. This, you know what? I never thought I'd get the chance to review one of these. Doug DeMuro hasn't even reviewed one. And that's pretty darn cool. Listen, this isn't the best example, and like I said, this thing ain't for sale. But I wanted to at least bring you the opportunity to check it out and go along for the ride. This is probably the last chance I'll ever get to drive a Mitsubishi Raider. This is how we park things on the lot. There we go. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.